And so there's the overhead view with all the stats. And on the next page, we have the Corvette Stingray, also a very beautiful high performance, amazing vehicle for its time. So there's the stats on the Corvette, very cool. Still a great looking car with impressive performance. And here's the overhead view of that very cool, beautiful, luxurious Delahaye 135. And this was a 1947 model, although it wasn't, it hadn't changed greatly over time. Okay, the Citroën SM is one of the more modern favorites in here, and certainly a beautiful vehicle, full of innovative, unique features, the swiveling headlights. I mean, I know Citroën had that for a while at this point, but very cool. And the suspension, a high performance engine through the partnership with Maserati. And the thing about the Citroën SM was that it was a car that many wealthy people wanted to have and had at the time. So it certainly had some cachet as being a wealthy or famous and wealthy person's vehicle of choice.